Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 combines brushing and flossing in one device. Start by filling reservoir with warm water and replace it firmly on the base. Select a tip that's right for you. Click firmly into handle. If this is your first use, you will need to prime the pump. 1. Set the pressure control to high. 2. Point the tip into the sink. 3. Turn on until water flows. 4. Turn unit off. Now let's get on to water flossing. Start with the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn power and water on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Water floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute. The toothbrush features a rechargeable battery that conveniently charges in the base of the unit. Next, remove the charged toothbrush from its docking station. Attach a brush head. Apply water and toothpaste and place in your mouth. To start brushing, turn toothbrush on and select a mode. The Complete Care 9.0 toothbrush has 3 modes: clean, whiten, and massage. Clean all surfaces of your teeth, outside, inside, and along the gum line. If you have trouble reaching the inside of your teeth, tilt the brush vertically. The Complete Care toothbrush has a 2-minute timer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds so you know when to move to the next section of your mouth. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day for best results. Waterpik Complete Care. Brushing and flossing in one device.